Coolest gadgets that are available on Amazon. A watch inspired by strength and intelligence or a micro sharper? Well, that's not all. In today's videos, we have some very interesting picks for you. Razor holder for shower wall. Using Trewell's adhesive suction razor holder, you can keep razors dry and hygienic. Maximize efficiency of the space to create healthy, organized, and tidy bathroom. Work with very strong adhesive tape. Keep your expensive razors always hanging on the wall. Remove cleanly with no sticky residue or damage left behind. Tips: if you want to remove it, heat the sticker by hairdryer, rip off slowly. Use this curving design is more suitable for the curved handle. Made of new ABS plastic, easy to clean, higher strength, durable service. Convenient, compact razor storage. Sticking on any smooth surface such as shower tile, bathroom wall mirror, and bathroom counter. If you want to remove it, heat the sticker with a hairdryer and rip it off slowly. Kasa Smart Plug. Add voice control to any outlet. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling any home electronic appliances with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Turn electronics on and off from anywhere with your smartphone using the Kasa app, whether you are at home, in the office, or on vacation. Use timer or countdown schedules. Set your smart plug to automatically turn on and off any home electronic appliances such as lamps, fan, humidifier, Christmas lights, etc. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection required. Plug in, open the Kasa app. Follow the simple instructions and enjoy. Go all-round windshield ice scraper. These cone-shaped windshield ice scrapers fit in the palm of your hand and remove large chunks of ice at one time. The double-sided tool has miniature spikes on one end that you can use to break up ice and an extra wide opening on the other for clearing off snow and ice from windshields and windows. It comes in a money-saving 4-pack and doubles as a funnel. Scientific ergonomic design, it is more convenient to hold it by hand, and the area of clearing snow is larger. The magical ice car scraper can remove even the most frozen frost from your car's windows with ease. Quality and texture are even better, and cheap workmanship products are easy prone to damage to the hands when used. Cleaning Gel Universal Cleaning Gel for Keyboards. Cleaning keyboards, cameras, calculators, and other tech tools is a tough one because many cleaning agents can ruin these devices. But all it takes is a few presses of this unique universal cleaning gel to lift up debris, dirt, and crumbs from difficult-to-clean electronics. The biodegradable gel is not sticky on your hands and can be reused. It comes in a pack of 5. There are always some blind corners in your car that can't be cleaned with a traditional wipe. Color Coral Cleaning Gel will help you out on this. It could reach the dust in vent, dashboard, and cup holders easily. And as we have updated our formula accordingly, Color Coral now works much better in car cleaning. Color Coral Keyboard Cleaning Gel was originally designed for keyboard cleaning. Oven plug-in LED motion sensor night light. A little light to guide your path in a dark house is always a good thing. But it's even better when that light source saves you money. These plug-in LED motion sensor night lights only turn on when they detect movement, and then turn off 60 seconds after that last movement is registered to save you money on your electric bill. They have 2 adjustable brightness levels and come with 4 in a pack. In auto mode, if this plug-in night light detects a movement in the darkness, it switches on automatically and lightens your way for a total of 60 seconds after the last movement has been registered. Then it turns off again, making it possible to reduce unnecessary power consumption when you do not need them. House of Marley Apprise Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Listen to music in comfort while on the go with the House of Marley Apprise Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. This device offers a reliable way to enjoy music throughout your day. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor activities, the Apprise earbuds offer a comfortable and stable fit. With an IPX5 rating, the wireless Bluetooth earbuds are also weather and sweat-proof, so you can always enjoy your favorite songs. Featuring a modular design, Apprise provides removable ear hanger and loop options. Similarly, the minimalist earbuds are flexible and guarantee a secure fit for any ear. Insta360 Go2 Miniature Action Camera. Take pictures and videos hands-free with the Insta360 Go2 Miniature Action Camera. This portable gadget mounts anywhere, from your clothes to a car window. And with an array of accessories available, you can place it literally anywhere, including on your pet, to achieve the perfect angle. It's waterproof up to 13 feet, so you can even use it at the beach. Additionally, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it great for accompanying your adventures. Furthermore, the Insta360 Go2 provides clear 1,400 440 shots. And flow state stabilization keeps your footage steady without any shakes or bumps, even if you're filming yourself playing sports. IMSI Super Tiny 100W GAN USB-C multi-port charger. Boost your power with the IMSI 100W GAN USB-C multi-port charger. This impressive gadget offers 15-watt MagSafe fast wireless charging. Not only that, but this GAN charger also boasts compatibility with the iPhone 12 and delivers fast charging up to a maximum of 100 watts. With this IMSI gadget, you can power up to 4 devices at the same time, simultaneously quickly charging them all. Furthermore, it includes 3 powerful USB-C ports as well as 1 USB-A port. Joseph Blade Brush Knife Cleaning Brush. Safely clean your knives and cutlery with the Joseph Blade Brush Knife Cleaning Brush. Featuring a wraparound design, this innovative brush makes washing up much safer and easier. Likewise, it uses opposed bristles to clean both sides of your cutlery at the same time, making it even more effective. Plus, it keeps your fingers away from any sharp edges. The blade brush comes with a textured hand grip, so it's comfortable to hold and provides enough grip to prevent it from slipping. Additionally, you can easily store the blade brush by standing it on a dish rack. The brush also fits on the side of most dish basins for convenient drying. Washable by hand, the knife and cutlery cleaning brush come in 2 colors, green and gray. Kivo Bluetooth Smart Key Deadbolt by Kwikset. The Kwikset Kivo Bluetooth-enabled deadbolt for the iPhone eliminates the hassle of carrying around keys because your smartphone is now literally the key. It won't open if you say, "Open Sesame," but the touch-to-open system is just as easy. All you have to do to open the single-cylinder deadbolt is touch the lock with your iPhone. The app runs in the background, so you don't have to open it when you reach home. You may also create e-keys and send them to friends and family so that they can open the lock with their own iPhones. Sniper Ironclad and Lighter Module. A brand with a strong personality, Sniper Watches boasts a collection of timepieces that have been inspired by the strength and intelligence of elite forces equipment, including the world's best snipers. Each Sniper watch has also been designed and manufactured in Switzerland, bringing together exquisite automatic movements, highly durable materials, and unique designs to create an unmissable centerpiece instrument. Unmistakable for their masculine and striking profiles, Sniper watches have also become famous for their unique inventions, such as the Sniper Lighter. OrcSharp Micro Sharpener. The EDC Micro Sharpener and Knife Tool is an ultralight, compact knife sharpener and maintenance tool that makes a great knife companion to add to your pocket, pack, or gear bag. Angle-guided 400 medium grit diamond and fine grit ceramic rods quickly restore a sharp edge to any knife. Knife Tool provides 1/4 bit driver and includes common bits sizes T6, T8, T10 to tune common knife hardware for pocket clips and pivot hinges. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.